Yeah.
There goes one of them. He got something in his... Fish here, they're saying. Fish here, they're saying.
They're singing for us. I've never had that. That's never.
They're usually very, very scared of you. And they very much keep their distance. I don't know what they are trying to say. They look in the water. The osprey. That is so weird. Maybe they're saying fish here. There's fish here. Usually when you get a fish on the line, the loon will come over and try to get it. Most times they will. The fish can't escape. Maybe the loons are trying to tell me, fish here. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking there's fish here. So if you hook one, we're going to get it.
They're just so vocal.
I've never seen that before, hon.
How vocal they are.
Yes. Like, usually they keep their distance. They just...